Day 5. 20 more days. 20 more days. Is that right? Not 19 more days? I don't know. I can't even do simple math anymore, y'all. Let's find us a stocking. I'm just going to reach and grab this one right here. Let's see what's in it. It's got a piece of paper. Let's see what's on that piece of paper. Even feed foot, or a quilting foot, or a walking foot, whatever you want to call it. I've always heard them called an even feed foot. And I have one. Let me grab it. Right here's what it is. They come with a lot of machines, and a lot of machines you have to buy them separately, and they are priced $15 and up, depending on the brand of your machine and the foot that you need, and whether you want the name brand or a generic brand or all of those kinds of things. Okay, so on Amazon they are 15 and up, just all depending. This one's got some fuzz in it. I'm gonna get it out of there if I can, because if I don't get it out right now, I'll forget it. All right, I got it. All right, and what this does is it feeds your fabric evenly from the top and the bottom. It basically gives you feed dogs on the top of your fabric, just like you have underneath. Okay, these are on your machine, and you know they feed with every stitch. They make that little circle and feed with every stitch. Okay, this right here, when you put this across your needle bar, the little thing you screw your needle in with, this lays across the top of it, and every time it goes up, it lowers these teeth, and when it comes down, it lets it feed it through every time. See, does that right there, and it feeds, it walks evenly with your machine. If you are sewing multiple layers, say thick fabrics, fleeces, a quilt, anything that's got multiple layers on it, this is what you need to use. And there are some machines that it's built into, and I want to say maybe it's the FOF. Y'all tell me if it's the FOF that has them built into the machine. Everything is an even feed. I'm not sure. So you all let me know if that is the case. But I do know there's one brand of machine that it's built into. And it's a brand that I've never owned, and I've never owned a FOF. So that might be it. I've had Brothers and Singers and Genomis and Jukis and Berninas. And I know it's not one of those. So it could be Husqvarna. That's another one that I've never had. I don't know. But one machine has it built in, so you don't have the separate foot, and everything you sew is even feeded. Even fed, not feeded. Feeded's not a word. Even fed. But that's day number 5, your even feed foot. So y'all come back tomorrow for day number 6. I'll see you then.